Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In this video, we are going to learn three things. What are the three things? First of all, number one, what is a syllable? What is a syllable? Number one. Syllable किसे कहते हैं? Number two, generally how many syllabic words we use in our day-to-day life or in English? आमतौर पर हम इंग्लिश में कितने किस्म के सिलेबिक वर्ड्स इस्तेमाल करते हैं. नंबर थ्री, हाउ टू काउंट सिलेबल्स इन वर्ड्स. किस तरह हम सिलेबल्स को वर्ड्स में काउंट कर सकते हैं. लेट अस लर्न विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम एग्जाम्पल्स. आवर न्यू लेसन syllables, our new lesson. So it is all about, it is related to spelling and pronunciation. What are the benefits if we learn these three things? Benefits, number one benefit is spelling. We can improve our spellings. Number two, we can improve our pronunciation. And ultimately, number three, reading skills. These three benefits, these three major benefits we have in this lesson. If we learn this lesson, we get these three benefits. Let us learn our new lesson. First of all, what is a syllable? What is a syllable? Syllable क्या है? So very simple definition or very simple example. With example, I can give you very simple way of learning syllable. Syllable means a vowel sound in a word. Simple, very simple definition. A vowel sound in a word. A vowel sound in a word is known as syllable. Okay. So let us learn sound or beat. You can say sound also, you can say beat also. B-E-A-T, beat or sound. Which sound? Vowel sound. Vowel sound को हम word में vowel sound को syllable कहते हैं. Okay, let us learn with the help of examples. Number one, if I write, first of all we should know that how many vowels are there. How many vowels are there in English language? So let me write first A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, and plus one more. What is one more? We have Y also, because Y sometimes acts like vowel. Sometimes Y also acts as a vowel. So here A, E, I, O, U and Y is also there. So let us learn. First of all, if I write, for example, what is vowel? Vowel means what is syllable? Syllable means vowel sound. A vowel sound in the word. Vowel sound in the word. That is called syllable. So here if I write a car. So here a car. In a car we have a and car. So a letter A is a vowel and it is giving one sound, one beat or one sound. A. So A is, what can we say? It is a syllable. Car, here also we have one syllable. So just A, I am talking about A only. So syllable can give, a letter can be a syllable or group of letters also can be a syllable. So here A is one syllable, and in the car we have one more syllable, A sound. Car. A sound is here and here. So altogether we have two syllables in this. How many syllables? Two syllables. So A is one syllable, and in car we have one more syllable, one more beat. So a car. If I write, for example, cat, C-A-T. So how many syllables are there? Only one syllable, because one beat. We have one beat only. Cat. One sound, one beat. So it is, we can say, this is what we can say, cat, one syllable. So one syllable is here. We can write one syllable. One syllable is here in this word cat. Okay. So here some more examples we can take. For example, S-E-T, set. Set has how many syllables? One, because it is giving one sound. The word set has one syllable because it has one vowel and it is giving one beat or one sound. It is producing, the word set is producing one beat or one sound. That's the reason it is it has one syllable. So you can see that SET, set. So it is one syllabic word. Here one syllable. Okay. Similarly, if we write, for example, it is not necessary that only one vowel give one sound. Two vowels also can give one sound. Let me give you example. For example, SEAT, seat. Seat, it has, the word seat has two vowels, E and A. But word seat, even though it has two vowels, but producing only one beat or one sound. That is the reason it has only one syllable. One syllable. Even though word, what we can say, seat has two vowels, E and A, but it is producing only one beat or one sound. So here one beat or one sound. So beat or sound, we can say one vowel. So these two together we can say they are producing one beat only, E and A. That is the reason. If I can give you many examples, for example, feel, F-E-E-L, feel. Feel has, word feel has two E, 1 and 2, 2E, but they are producing only one beat, one sound. So that is the reason it has only one syllable. We can say one syllable. Syllable means beat of vowel or sound of vowel sound. Vowel sound is called syllable. So how many sounds are there in the word feel? Only one. So one we have, even though two vowels are there. Okay. So it depends upon the sounds, vowel sounds. Vowel sounds produce different sounds. Already we have learned in previous lesson that 26 letters are there. 26 letters, they produce 44 different sounds. Okay. 24 sounds are consonants, they produce 24 sounds, whereas vowels only A, E, I, O, U and Y all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters, they produce 20 different sounds. So here seat, S-E-A-T, seat, one beat, feel, one sound. Even though we have two vowels, but it does not mean that everywhere two vowels produce only one beat. They can produce more than, what I can say, one sound. Example, let me give you example. Example, B-I-O, bio. So bio, word bio means life. Bio means life. Bio has two vowels and they are producing two different sounds. Bio. So I is producing one sound and O is producing another. So it has two beats, two vowels, two beats, but two beats and two vowels, two different sounds are there. Bio. Feel, whereas feel has two vowels. Here also two vowels, here also two vowels. But there is a difference. Feel has only one syllable because it is producing one sound. But bio, it is producing, the word bio is producing two beats or two syllables. So we can say it has two syllables. It has two syllables. Okay. Number one is monosyllabic words. Monosyllabic words means, what is the meaning of monosyllabic? Mono means one. Mono means one only. Syllabic means, monosyllabic means words having only one syllable. Only one syllable. Monosyllabic means having one syllable only. Words having one syllable. Examples, many examples we have. In, iron, in, on. Monosyllabic, one word, one sound, two letters are there, but two letters are producing only one beat or one sound. So in, on, at, far, for, far. So many, what I can say, sick, S-I-C-K, sick. Many examples we can say man, M-A-N, man. We can say many things. Friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Even though friend word has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there. The length of length of word friend has 6 letters, but how many beats are there? Only one beat or one sound. So it is one syllabic or monosyllabic word friend. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters are there. Length of word friend has 6 letters, but it is producing only one beat or one sound. That's the reason it is called monosyllabic. Okay, monosyllabic word. Number two is disyllabic. Disyllabic word. Disyllabic words. So disyllabic words. What is the meaning of disyllabic word? Di means two, or bi, bi or di means two. So here words having how many syllables? 2 syllables. Words having 2 syllables are known as bisyllabic or disyllables. 2 syllables, plural. Syllable is 1, syllables as 2. So here bisyllabic words we have many. Example, I can give you example. For example, doctor. So here doctor, length of this word is 6 letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters are there. But we have how many vowel sound? How many vowel sounds we have? 2. 1 and 2. So 2 vowel sounds are there. That is the reason we can say it is disyllabic word. 2 syllables are there, or 2 beats are there, 2 sounds are there. 2 sounds, 2 beats or 2 syllables. Okay, of vowel. Okay, next one. What is the next one? If I write, for example, teacher, 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 it has also how many, what I can say, beats? How many beats? 2 beats or 2 sound. Teacher. Even though teacher word has how many vowels are there? Let me count. 1, 2, 3. 3 vowels are there, but this word is producing 2 beats or 2 sounds. So that is the reason it has how many syllables? 2 syllables. 2 syllables are there in this word. Now next thing, so disyllabic means 2 syllables. Number 3, trisyllabic word. Tri, syllabic, syllabic, syllabic words. What is the meaning of trisyllabic words? You know very well. We can easily understand. Tri means 3. What is the meaning of tri? Tri means 3. 3 syllabic means having words having how many sounds? Words having let me give you words having 3 sounds. 3 sounds or 3 syllables. 3 sounds, 3 beats, 3 syllables. Okay, we can say syllables means vowel sounds. We can say sound, S-O-U-N-D, sound, or we can also say beat, B-E-A-T, beat. Okay, so 3 syllables, sound or beat, having 3 syllables. For example, if I write word carpenter. So here carpenter word, length of the word is 9 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 letters are there. But we have to count vowel sounds. How many vowel sounds? So 1, A, E and E. 3 vowels are there. Carpenter. So 3 beats are there. 3 beats. So we have 3 syllables. So we have 3 syllables in the word carpenter. 3 syllables. If I write for a few more example, advisor. If I write word advisor, you can easily notice that ad, a sound, y, I sound, and z, e sound. So we have 3 syllables. So we can write 3 syllables or 3 trisyllabic word. 3 syllables. Trisyllabic word, advisor. I can give you many examples. For example, capital. Word capital also has how many beats, how many vowel sounds? 1 A, 1 I and 1 A. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 beats are there or 3 syllables are there. 3 syllables are there in this word. So you can understand that trisyllable. Tri means 3. Trisyllabic word means words having 3 syllables or 3 beats or 3 sounds of vowels. Tetrasyllabic words. Tetrasyllabic words. What is the meaning of tetra? Tetra means 4. So words having 4 beats, words having 4 F-O-U-R, 4 syllables, having 4 syllables or 4 beats or 4 sounds of vowels, 4 sounds of vowels. It is called tetrasyllabic word. Example, information. So information. So even though 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vowels are there in word information, or in other words, information word has 5 vowels, but word information is producing how many beats? How many vowel sounds? 4 vowel sounds. 4 vowel sounds. So we can say 4 vowel sounds. 4 vowel sounds, or we can say 4 syllables. 4 syllables. So how to you know what I can say, check that it has 4 syllables? Very important, very simple. Just clap and count vowel sound. In, for, me, tion. Teacher. Word teacher. Teacher has 2 syllables or 2 sounds or 2 beats of vowels. Teacher. Doctor. Doctor also has 2 beats. Doctor. So in this way you can understand how to count vowels. Very easy, very simple. In, for, me, tion. 4 beats. So 4 times you can clap and you can separate. You can separate or you can split the word. And you can get idea about how many vowel sounds are there. Easily आप इस बहुत आसान तरीके से वर्ड को स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं और वर्ड में कितने वॉवल साउंड से आसानी से मालूम कर सकते हैं. किस तरह से? जस्ट clap and get information. Clap and get, idea about how many sounds are there, how many vowel sounds are there in the words. For example, in, for, me, tion. So very easy, very simple. So let me give you more examples. For example, if I write publicity also. If I write word publicity, so you can check publicity. Here, very important information. So U is producing 1, I is another, and another I. Pub, here we have U, pub, I, another vowel, li, and C, another vowel, T. So here TYT. So Y is, I have already informed you that Y plays very important role in English language. So Y can be a vowel sometimes and it can act as a vowel. Y sometimes can act as a vowel. Okay, so here publicity, Y is also giving the I sound and it is acting like a vowel here. Publicity. So four syllables are there. Publicity also has 4 syllables. So we can have many examples. So it is very important for us to learn, trick. What is the trick? Very simple. Information. Okay, by clapping you can count, how many beats are there, how many vowel sounds are there. Next one, number 5, pentasyllabic. Penta means 5 syllabic words. Pentasyllabic words. What is the meaning of pentasyllabic words? Words have 5 syllables, having 5 syllables, having 5 syllables. Example, we have many example in this what I can say penta. For example, if I write word, which word? Modification. Modification word has how many vowels? Let me count. Word modification is producing 5. Modification. So modification 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can write 5 syllable or 5 syllabic word, pentasyllabic word, modification. I can give you many examples. For example, organization, let me write G properly. Organization. So word organization, we have how many vowel sounds? Let me count. We can say organization. So easily you can count by clapping. How to clap? I will give you example. Modification. 5. Organization. So you can easily count, vowel sounds or syllables in the word by clapping, or other methods also there, by jumping, by clapping. So many methods, different methods are there. The simple method is just clapping. So it has modification, 5 vowels, organization, 5 vowel sounds, modification, 5 vowel sounds. 5 vowel sound means 5 syllables. Okay, so next one is hexasyllabic words. Hexasyllabic words. What is the meaning of hexasyllabic words? Very simple. Words having 6 syllables, 6 beats, 6 sounds of vowels, 6 syllables. So let me give you example. Example number 1. For example, if I write word incomprehensible. So just let me count how many beats are there. Counting is very easy. By clapping also we can count. And just first letter is I. It's a vowel sound. It is giving vowel sound. So one beat in. Another one. Here we have E. Third one. Hen. Here E also. One more E. So E I will write once again. It should be clear. Incomprehensible. Here one more is there. C. The word I is there. Bill. And here last beat. So how many beats are there? Incomprehensible. Incomprehensible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 beats are there. 6 sounds of vowel. 6 vowel sounds are there. That is the reason it is hexasyllabic word. Hexasyllabic word. One more I will give you. Very important word. Very important word in our life. Responsibility. So responsibility. So let me count. Here we have one first vowel. Pawn, another one. C, here one I. Next one, and I, another one. And last one is Y. Y is also acting like a vowel here, and it is giving I sound. So it is like this. Responsibility. 1, pawn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Responsibility. Responsibility is very important word in our life. So we should be very responsible every time. So it is our duty to be a responsible person. So responsibility. How many beats are there? 6 beats of 6 sounds of vowels. So this is hexasyllabic word. So last one. What is the last one? So most of the time we use 1 to 6 syllabic words. We use in our day-to-day life or in English language. Number 7 is heptasyllabic word. Heptasyllabic words. So we have handful of words, only handful of words are there, heptasyllabic words. Let me give you some examples. First of all, what is the meaning of heptasyllabic? Heptasyllabic means having having 7 seven, 7 syllables, 7 syllables, having 7 syllables in the word. For example, if I write example, telecommunication, so word telecommunication has how many beats? Let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and IO is producing 1. So it has how many syllables, how many beats of vowels, how many sounds of vowels? Telecommunication has 7 beats, 7 sounds of vowel. 7 vowel sounds are there. Even though 8 vowels are there in word, 8 vowels are there, but it is producing 7 vowel sounds. So 7 vowel sounds, what are they? Telecommunication. So this has, the word has, telecommunication has 7 beats or 7 syllables. 7 syllables. We have 7 syllables. Similarly, if I write word, for example, irresponsibility. So irresponsibility has 7 syllables, 7 beats, 7 sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last one Y, 7. So here word irresponsibility has 7 beats, 7 syllables. So we can count very easily. We can easily count teacher. By clapping you can understand teacher, 2 syllables. So syllables, we can write syllables in this manner. For example, if I am writing word teacher, so how can I write? Teach, teach, and hyphen we can use. Hyphen in between, syllables. In between syllables we can use hyphen, and we can write like this, ER. So we can separate or we can split the word teacher. Teacher has 2 beats. So we can use hyphen also. This is one beat, and this is another. So 1 syllable and 2 syllable. Teacher, doctor. So easily you can write. For example, if I write apple, AP, then hyphen I should use hyphen here. Hyphen also we can use hyphen here, and PLE. So here apple. So 2 beats. You can easily understand that 2 beats are there. Apple. So here 1 and this is 2. 2 beats are there. Apple. So in this way you can learn. You can improve, number 1, spelling. Number 2, you can improve your pronunciation, and number 3, reading skills. So 3 major, what I can say, benefits of this lesson. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a great day. Enjoy learning. If you like this lesson, please share with everyone and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.